Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers talk session, Primary Math Concepts with Teacher Ben. So before I start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page so that you can get the latest update of all our videos. So for today's video, we're going to touch on PSLE 2021 Paper 2 Question 15. So first, let's interpret the question. So Helen and Ivan had the same number of coins. Each of them had a mix of 20 cents and 50 cents coins. Helen had 64 20-cent coins while Ivan had 104 20-cent coins. The total mass of Helen's coins was 1.134 kilogram. So for part A, who had more money, Helen or Ivan? And how much more? Okay, so let's try to identify the concept. So these are the key phrases for the question, and the red color will be highlight on the key phrases for the question. Next, let's identify the concept. So the most important thing is we notice that they have the same number of coins, so we will actually classify this concept under equal stage concept. And next, let's see how we implement the concept methodology. So first, we will actually look at the number of coins and start to draw the model. Okay, we know that Helen had 64 20-cent coins, so which means that the green color here, the text here actually represents 64 20-cent coins. And corresponding to Ivan's side here, Ivan had 104 20-cent coins. So let's name this part as 64 20-cent coins for Ivan, and let's extend it here, and we will identify that this is 40 20-cent more. So how we get 40 20-cent? We are just taking 104 minus away 64, and that will give me 40 pieces. So that means that Ivan has 40 20-cent coins more than Helen. And since they have the same number of coins, that means that the remaining part here, the orange part, is actually for the 50-cent coins under Helen. So this corresponding side will give me the number of 50-cent coin, and it must match to the quantity of the 40 20-cent coins here. So for Helen, this will be 40 50 cents coin. And let's calculate the value of that. So for Helen, 40 50-cent coins worth $20. And for Ivan, 40 20-cent coins worth $8. So we know that by taking $20 minus away $8, and Helen will have more than Ivan by $12. So the answer for this question will be Helen, and she had $12 more. Okay, so let's move on to part B. So again, we have to interpret the question. So we know that the total mass of Helen's coins was 1.134 kg. So given that each 50-cent coin was 2.7 gram heavier than each 20-cent coin, so we need to find what is the mass of Ivan's coins in kilogram. So let's identify the concept and look at the key phrases again. So we know that each 50 cent is compared with each 20-cent coin. So for the concept here, we're going to use the set concept. So let's go and interpret let's go and implement the concept methodology. So let's draw the model. So for the mass of each coin, we are comparing with one set, which is 1 against 1. So we notice that it's actually 2.7 gram heavier, and that is actually given by the question here, 2.7 gram heavier. Then if you look at Helen's coins, weighs heavier, right? And it's heavier by 40. Now, why is it 40? Because if you still remember our previous model drawing, we know that Helen's has 40 50-cent coins. So if you take the difference between 40 50-cent coins against 40 20-cent coins, Helen should have should be heavier by 108 gram. And if we convert it to kilogram, it will be 0.108 kilogram. Okay. Next, let's calculate what is Ivan's coin's mass. So now we know that the mass of Helen's coin is 1.134 kg, and we know that Helen's coin is heavier by 0.108 kg. So by taking the difference, we will get the mass of Ivan's coin. So the answer for this question will be 1.026 kilogram. Okay, be careful. The question is asking for kilogram. That's why we need to answer in kilogram. Okay, next, let's try to inspect and check whether our solution makes sense or not. So we do know the mass of Helen's coin. So that will be 1.134 kilogram. This is given by the question. And Ivan coin's mass is actually calculated by us. So we get 1.026 kilogram. So if we take the difference between the total mass of Helen's coin and Ivan's coin, so we will get 0.108 kg. So we call it as a total difference. And if we convert back to from kilogram to gram, it will get 108 gram. Then we know that there will be a difference. The difference in terms of the 50-cent coin against 20-cent coins. Helen 50-cent coins and Ivan 20-cent coins. The difference is 40. So that's why we take 108 divided by 40, we will get 2.7 gram. And this is actually given by the question here. Okay, so this is the way that we check and see whether our calculation and whether our step makes sense. So we call this as our inspection step to check our solution. Okay, I hope I have given a clear explanation for this question. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Facebook page. And if you have any question, you can feel free to leave your comments below. Or if you have any question that you wish that we can discuss through another video, so please feel free to tell us and we will try our best to come up with a video to explain those questions to you. Okay, so that's all for today's video and see you in the next video. Bye.